students, how are you? Student, yesterday I explained the first part of the poem My Mother at 66, and in that part I was telling you that poetess reached the airport and her security process was completed. Now I am going to explain the next part of the poem. Standing a few yards away, I looked again at her wan pale as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. In these lines, poetess is saying that after the security process being completed, while she was going to board the aeroplane, she looked again at her mother's wrinkled, withered and faded yellow colored face. Her color of her face was like the color of winter's moon. Students, because during winter season, moon is covered with fog and it spreads its light through fog. That is why its light is faded in color, and that type of color was the color of poetess mother's face. And after looking at the miserable or pathetic condition of her mother, she was filled with fear of losing her, and her fear was like the fear of her childhood. During her childhood, when the poetess mother used to be away from her even for a moment, then she used to become restless and she did not want to leave her mother during her childhood even for a moment, because that time poetess needed her mother, because in absence of her mother she could not do anything, and her mother needed her. Her mother needed her during her old age, but poetess did not want to pay attention towards her mother's old age, and she did not want to postpone her trip to Cochin. She did not want to postpone her trip to Cochin, but all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. But instead of postponing her trip to Cochin, she smiled. She smiled in order to assure her mother that she would meet her again. She bade her by saying that, "See you soon, Amma," means in this way she was assuring her mother that she would meet her again. She had not to worry about that, but actually poetess mother needed her company, needed the poetess company, because she was very weak, she was very old, and during the old age parents need their children, parents need their company, but the people forget their childhood when their parents used to be worried to fulfill their demands and they never left them crying. But after being grown up, people forget all these things and they leave their parents crying in their old ages, which they should not have done. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the poem, and now I request you to read and write the explanation which I will provide you in written, and tomorrow I will make you write question and answers. Thank you and have a nice day.